জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় বৃন্দাবন জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় বৃন্দাবন শ্রী গোবিন্দ গোপীনাথ মদ নমঃ।
Mommy, you have got pearl necklace, yes? What do you want, my darling? Can you give me some pearls, yes, please? What will you do with the pearls? I require. What for? Well, you know, it doesn't usually, slowly, so that I can easily get. Don't tell, before that, Krishna is very clever. Well, I love so many persons, I will give. Yeah. Why don't you tell who are these so many persons? Well, after some time he says, you know, I love the cows, I tend the cows. The cows? Yeah. I don't have so many. No, you give me as many as you have got. What will you do? Mommy, I will make tree, and from the seed, so many pearls will come. You are a fool? You are wasting my pearls? I won't give you. Fool, now. Don't tell others. From pearls tree comes out. At the seed, you see, you will make that. But he said, Mother, no, you have to give me. Just like son usually nagging mother. Get something. Mother doesn't give, you go to grandmother. Usually. Mother doesn't give sometime. Father, then he'll go to grandmother. Grandmother he can forcibly also take care. Usually grandmother. Too much indulging, like grandson. But mother sometimes give. Son knows when he gives. Mommy, I am going, you are not giving me pearls. From today, this morning, I am not going to come to eat breakfast, and also noon I am going. No mother likes, son doesn't eat, because nobody will eat then. And neither mother will eat, and father may not eat. Call him father, because they are beloved. This is loving relation. So this is called man. You understand man means what? That you don't properly treat me, what I expect from you. Loving is my demand. Just like Radharani. Was sometimes with other gopis, Krishna is also dancing. Radharani tells, this category, I'm special. You don't treat me specially, I'll go away. So she goes away, getting angry. She expects special care from Krishna. So Krishna, oh, he gets angry with me. Let us go. To pacify her, okay, I'll give you special. I will dance with you only and not like the others. Then she is happy. This is called man. You understood now what is called man? In the West they don't have this knowledge. But Indian everybody knows this thing. This is a common thing. Sometimes a spouse demands something I did not give. What? He get angry. Go away to mother's house. Then he send the son. Go bring, I will give her. All this, then she says, okay, give me all this, then I am coming. This is called man. It's very sweet actually. Loving exchange. So this is one. So this is called man server. All the gopis, all the Brajavasis sometimes calls also Radha server, Radharani server. Why? Because Radharani is from tears, this lake came. Radharani got one day very angry with sulky mood with Krishna and came maybe sitting here, getting angry, and Krishna is looking for and came from her tears. Of course, some people won't believe. This is spiritual world. Don't think anything unbelievable. Anything Krishna can do. What Krishna can do, Radha, there is no difference between Radha and Krishna. They are one actually. Just to relish pastime, they become two. Is that clear? So he said, Jamuna and from Vrindavan, if you go to the east, today is what day? Monday. That's see, materially as far as I know, Monday, if you go to the east, is there Ananda Swami? Yes. Ananda, যে উপর দিকে যেতে হয়, বিপদ আছে না?
বেশি অত গাঢ় না, হালকা।
If you go in the east side Sunday, you could expect some danger, but may not be heavy. This is according to other Khanabachan. Okay. But this is spiritual world. Nothing happened. Anything happened? Any danger? No. Nothing. You see, but you attended Mangala Arati. We left in auspicious time, so nothing happened. Any cat crossed before you park your car? Moving? All these things are inauspicious. There's so many auspicious things Prabhupada follows. You going, you see some elephant, very auspicious. You see some meat shop, auspicious. Meat shop. You see a cross, auspicious. Though appears to be it auspicious, yes.
Sweet meat.
Yeah, sweet meat? I don't know. If you, when you are going out, your mother or wife, somebody near and dear will bring some honey, haldi, curd, you take it. Auspicious journey. But you are going to exam, something, Father, stop, don't go now. After 5 minutes, now another, now you can go home. Too negative. Prabhupada is to follow. I don't know. Somebody says, somebody is remembering you. See that? I don't know. You know this thing. You are going out somewhere, school, college or somewhere, going to play. And somebody goes, hey, you left your money bag. And if you follow all these rules, he said, I'm not going back. Let him adjust and send it. Is it mommy? Yeah. Then you can. Huh?
Myself and Dominic Mataji, we were traveling. We were about to take flight. And Cindy, she came in between. She said, actually. And then we went like 2 hours before, but still we missed the flight. We were just sitting in the flight lane.
See there, proof is here. So better follow. Some may say this is superstition. I saw Prabhupada himself following. But somebody asked for this explanation, Prabhupada said, I am not going to explain. I follow this. Because many cases happen. Sneezing, my father said, I am going to exam or school. Father said, stay for some time. After a while I went, nothing happened. I saw this from my childhood also. In India, many people believe all these things. And also yes, you going, I am going for making life member. Relaxed. Malaysia, when Maharaj driving car, highway, high speed. We are collecting, making life member. I have to call, my Guru Maharaj says, you work for Bangladesh. So still now I go, take so many white elephant, black elephant, she elephant, he elephant, brown elephant, and attracts. Yesterday I was telling the class, you remember? And wherever you go, they're looking at it. They never see white elephant. He cannot go to eat, he cannot go to change. Yeah, awkward. But they are innocent. So this is even. If you go and see a calf drinking milk from the cow, very auspicious. In India, in election, everybody want to take this sign, signia. The government said, election commission, except this sign, any sign you can choose. This is nobody can take. Everybody wants this sign. The most auspicious, calf drinking milk. So sometimes very dangerous thing. 3 bad things together. Jam Ghanta. Jamraj is ringing the bell that time for the end is coming. This is the end of the world. Sometimes find postboard, some guy is walking, advertised from the Christian church. And what you will do? Start praying. Oh Mother Mary, please be merciful to me. Is that the prayer? No? I know this one because I used to go to church, find out what they are saying. We say Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Is everybody chanting Hare Krishna? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Hare. They are saying, if you say this thing with love and devotion, all danger, all problem gone. So But you have to say also nicely. It's not that official. No, not mechanical. Speak from the heart with love and devotion. Heart means, moments you say heart means some feeling of love, affection, all this. The bhakti relates to heart, love, affection. Not I have done so many rounds, but you are chanting like a parrot. Harikita, Harikita. Here also, we should hear there is a special speaker. There is different types of audience also there. I am not going detail now, but at least telling the basic thing. Basic thing is sususu suddhadhanasa. One should listen Harikatha. If in a place of pastime of the Lord, you discuss all those things. Here with rapt attention, with love and devotion. At once you can catch Krishna. Krishna knows what you are doing. Accordingly, Krishna comes near to you, within your heart. Oh, dust cleared out. Krishna, look what I am. He reveals. You develop attachment, you develop taste. Now we have got taste only one thing in Krishna consciousness. What taste we have got in Krishna consciousness? In which? What thing? Everybody like Prasad? Yes. She is showing. That is very good if it is so. But I don't think it is easy. Are you doing that? Then everybody will be worshipping you. They will become Baba Jini or whatever Anuradha. Paramhansi. Huh? Paramhansi? Mahahansi. There is one, is called Paramhansa, this sadhu. He only takes the milk and water mixed, he takes the water. Mixed portion. So one who matter and spirit, take the spirit portion, Krishna conscious portion, he is called Paramhansa, who is non-envious. Anybody can tell, I am free from enviousness, I am free from lust, desire, anger, enviousness, delusion, pride, arrogance. Who is there? Raise hand. That is why you are here. Is that clear? Somebody is raising hand. He must be the Moses saving us. You raised hand? You are Moses? So, it's very nice. What is the time? 5 after 8. From this forest, we will go to another forest. There are few forests here. Very near, we pass is Belbon, but bus cannot go, difficult. We have to walk long distance. We may not go to the Belbon, we will go to Bhandirbon. Every year we go, Belbon, Bhandirbon, these are all nearby. Mat, Ban. There are how many forests? 12 forests. Some in one side of Jamuna, east side, one on the other side, west side of Jamuna. So how many born? 12 born. Please, who knows, tell one born each. Vrindavan, easiest. Madhuban, Talban, Kokilban, Bhandirvan, we are going. Bahulavan, Mahaban, Lohoban, Madhuban, बता दिया. Talban, Kamuban, 10 हुआ और 2 है. Khadirban, Kumudban, Kudarban. We will go to Kumudban this year. The Gaudiya Math there. Easier. You have got facilities of bathroom, toilet. Bhadraban. This is Bhandirban, then Bhadraban. Very near. Bhadravan. Something happened in Bhadravan. Yes. Some past. Small, no?
Now only one type of Shiva is there and one of.
Are you passing through?
Before Maravendu, no, the exact location. We can stop.
From Bhandirbon, just 1.5 kilometers.
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Jai Sakal Bhupod, all your troubles, all your problems and danger disappear, simply chanting Hare Krishna. Now you have to chant quite nicely. And you will find it happening, you have got faith. Krishna is called Hari. He takes away all inauspicious things. You have to have faith. Devotee realize all these things. This is called spiritual world. This is non-different from spiritual world. And advanced devotee can experience. Just like Goswamis. Somebody can tell how he can experience the spiritual world. Any example? What she is saying? Vishaya, you give up sense gratification, be free from material desire, at once you will realize this is spiritual. Any other symptom, positive, this is negative. When you come here, not only Kamobhima means whatever you desire is fulfilled. But what devotee desire, who can tell? Raise hand.
न धनम न जन्म न सुंदरीम कवितां वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे बहुताद भक्ति रहे तु की तवे.
Translation, who will tell among the Matadi? Sylvia? Gita? Any Maha? Lakshmi? Anybody can hear, see loudly, to some extent at least. I don't want wealth, I don't want handsome, somebody or pretty, like partner, followers, big leader. I don't want to be recognized as a famous speaker. Even I don't want liberation from birth, death, 8 million 400 species from Brahma to insect. I simply, without any motivation, material desire, life after life want to serve you. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
Ruski, is that clear? Tagdela? But Prabhupada said, Krishna knows that you require dhan jan, he require manpower, he require money, but if you worship Narayan, automatically Lakshmi comes. That is natural. Instead of asking, because Krishna knows how much you require, but if you want too much, coveting, you invite danger. You invite danger. Yes? We want to smell lotus or say very nice gulab. There is contact there. So anywhere you want something which everybody is coveting, you invite danger. Yes? This is material world. They are saying, see, these guys are there, and Gunda also come. One near and dear one of mine, not near, they are more near, very dear, materially. He said, I went to your temple, I went Vrindavan. All try to snatch away money, this, that, everything, force. Then I said, you only saw that for a short tour. You stay for some time in our temple, nice gulab jam, everything is there. And also nice sadhu, they are chanting, dancing. Only short time tour, how you will see? There is always sadhu there. But rich people go, gundas are there also there. Otherwise, how will they take money? So both are there. So and stay long, you can see all these things. So Vishwaya Charya Kabe, one who is not after sense object, give up sense gratification, he can feel, realize Vrindavan. He can feel the Goswamis is living under one tree and they can realize this is what tree? Desire tree. So Brahma realized, what is the sloka, desire tree? So Govinda Hari lives, everything is Chintamani. This is also conscious, everything conscious. We are not seeing that. You do bhajan properly, then they will reveal. Ata Sri Krishna Namadi na bhavid gayam indriya. The senses, we are trying to lord over material nature. The senses, who we are trying to enjoy. To him he won't reveal. But who is not doing that, trying to be enjoyed by Krishna, trying to be exploited by Krishna, he is surrendered, trying to please Krishna. Then Krishna reveals. Nobody wants. Everybody wants to enjoy, so they cannot understand. Only theoretical knowledge. and who surrenders to Krishna everything, Krishna can give in anything and everything. Nobody wants to give. Everybody holds. Give little and see what Krishna gives. Yes? Yes. We try to, in general, give something to Krishna and see what Krishna gives. Let me see. This is true. What Krishna says, Je jatha mam prabodhante. As you surrender to me, I accordingly shower mercy. Okay, let me do and see what Krishna does. Again do what Krishna does. Verifying Krishna like a machine. No, Krishna is not a machine. Naham prakasa sarvasa. I don't reveal myself to anybody and everybody. Who do I reveal? Bhakta mam avijanati javanjaschasmi tattata. Tato mam tattata gatta vishodeyata anantaram. Who can come back to me? He can. One who know me tattata. Who know me tattata? Bhakta mam avijanati. One is doing bhakti. So what is bhakti? What is bhakti? We will tell. What is bhakti? Tell in 1 or 2 words.
Ana pilasita sunyam kyanam karmati anavritam anu tulena krishnanu silanam bhakti utama.
Another verse.
सर्वोपाधिर विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परस्य निर्मलम ऋषिकेश सेवनम भक्ति रुच्यते.
So these two together tell something in simple words. No material desire, sense gratification, unlimited we have got material. No false ego, I am this, I am that. No. Give up this without motivation, simply serve Krishna under the guidance of a pure devotee. Then Krishna reveals. So Brahma said, Premanjana Churita, with love and devotion, if you look at all these places, you develop attachment. Green, it looks like village, but still I think if you have got some devotion, you'll find little different than any other villages. Yes or no? Depends on person. If you have love for Krishna, you will love Vrindavan. Though there may be kakar, stone and chips pricking, but still you love. That is called love. Now I like Vrindavan. Living in Vrindavan, dying in Vrindavan. Living in Jagannath Puri, Mayapur, dying there, same thing. Same thing. You develop attachment here, you develop attachment to Krishna. There is no difference between Krishna, difference between anything in Vrindavan. Dust. The devotee here rolling on the dust, everybody knows. He is not mad. You can roll here, nothing will happen. Some Brajavaji told me, Maharaj, you have got some disease, take the dust of Vrindavan, put on your face. Krishna likes, all your disease will go. You know that? You see, sometimes Brajavaji putting all mud here, no? He doesn't like to, whether it is disease is cured or not, that is called love. That is called love for Krishna. I believe Krishna. Whether Krishna, you want to cure my disease or no, I put this thing. I won't go to doctor. That is called love. I depend on Krishna, not depend on doctor. No. Unless extreme case, that is a matter of pure faith. You understand? This is the test. Everybody is tested, isn't it? We are always confronting this, yes or no? Yes. Yeah. So Krishna is testing us. Now you have come here, then we have got some faith, some love for Krishna. Now you are seeing Vrindavan, you are coming through. I was trying to look for Krishna's time cow, this called blue cows, Nilgai. I couldn't find. Every year I come, sometime I see, 1, 2. We are lonely place, not really. And they are scared of common people, are very simple. They can do any harm. So they run away, they can understand. Otherwise, they come. So, the Goswamis will live in one tree, under one tree. Why? Become attached. So, only one write and go to another place, do their work, writing book, chanting. And so we are coming one day in one place. Little different, you can't copy them. And their desire is fulfilled. Now you can think, your desire is getting fulfilled or not, that is up to you. But better to have spiritual desire. Now if you tell Krishna, I want to come back again, you see next year or some other time, again you are here. Yes or no? Yes. Even you are outside of Vrindavan, you are thinking, hey, how can I go to Vrindavan? Krishna can fulfill, he is within the heart. He is saying, okay, you have a good desire, you want to come to Vrindavan, okay, come. Krishna, no. This way you can understand that Krishna is there within our heart. And one can feel presence of Krishna anywhere and everywhere. He is very advanced devotee. He is very advanced devotee. You can feel presence of Krishna anywhere and everywhere. That will come gradually as we advance in Krishna consciousness. So he said that from Radharani's their sulkiness, when the tears came, this lake is born. It manifested. He said, if the bell bone is nearby, but there is a bell tree, and what happened, we discuss about that. Anybody knows? That Lakshmi Devi, yesterday I told, Lakshmi is saying, Krishna has got many queens. Lakshmi means more or less Rukmini in this material world. Of course, spiritual world, there is Lakshmi there. There is not defined. And Rukmini, as a wife, has got sweet relation with husband and wife, but she knows Krishna has got a girlfriend. Oh, not modern day this thing. This is lusty desire. Become hog dog, monkey. So don't take it same. This is spiritual body. So Rukmini is thinking Krishna has romantic pastime with his girlfriend. They dance together at the dead of night. I also want. Any young boy, girl always like romance. Who doesn't want? But that is material, lusty desire. This is in the spiritual there, that is why in the material there. But this is perverted reflection, perverted. After that, you silly moon, no more contact. Let us go to registry of divorce. This is material world. Yes? Yes. But in spiritual world, no such thing. No divorce. Even some founder Acharya said, no divorce. I hope, and he said, if you change it, all these things, what will happen? I won't tell because guillotine is over my head. So this is not visible, but I can sense it. So I have to be careful because you are recording, yes? Don't let others listen though. Yes? Thank you very much. Right now, this part I will tell. So I want, in our group, the ladies, men there is quite natural. Some will be in the different ashram, brahmachari, some gesta, but try to maintain, It's considered, according to Vedic culture, married life means once for all. It's permanent. Not that you change and get another life partner as long as one is living. This is for whole life. Birth, death, and sadi and marriage is considered. Marriage is considered sacred for the pleasure of the Lord who live together. Bring Vaishnava son, daughter. That is marriage. And for that we unite physically, not other than that, once a month. Somebody heard Prabhupada said, only once a month. Better forget it. Then Prabhupada said, you are a good boy, very good boy. He doesn't like. I don't want to be good boy. See how strong, how strong. Somebody asked another person, now your wife died. I heard you are going to marry again? Yes. Why? You don't know. You first experience, then you will know. More than that I don't want to say. You know anybody? Better, there is a saying, Dilli ka laddu khaya, wo pastaya. Nahi khaya, wo bhi pastaya. So what you will do? Consult your spiritual master. He will tell you, go to this ashram or that ashram. It does not matter. We have come here to become Krishna conscious, not Laddu conscious. And what is Laddu, you know. I don't have to explain. You have already had experience. Those who have tested and those not tested, they both have experienced. क्या श्री राम जी ठीक कहाँ? ये मदन मोहन का लड्डू नहीं है, दिल्ली का लड्डू है।
दिल्ली का लड्डू बार-बार क्यों दिखाते हैं?
दिखाता तो ये This is the Prakriti, material nature. Mansarva is the other side of Jamuna. The Jamuna has been bifurcated. Two courses, and in between is Mansarva. Is always changing. You see, when you are coming by the bus, you see Jamuna has got few courses. Some courses has gone dry. This is all river, this thing happens. Not much written here, but we are telling other things. Oh, that is regarding Belban nearby, which we are not going because you have to walk long. Everybody can be walking there, especially bus cannot, difficult to go through. Big bus. Lakshmi Devi, according to Srimad Bhagavatam, Lakshmi Devi, she left Vaikuntha, where is so much luxurious thing. So there. She came to Vrindavan, here Belban. She thought by doing tapasya, I will attain Gopi Bhav. Anybody here for Gopi Bhav? Better not. Go gradually. So, she came to Vrindavan, there are many trees, there are bel trees, bel. The bel in Sanskrit called billa. The forest of many bel trees, still there. And under the tree, Lakshmi Devi was doing severe tapasya to win the heart of Krishna. So I want to join you with Ras Leela. But without the permission of Radharani, even Krishna cannot do anything. So what Krishna can do? Krishna says, what can be done? Krishna knows how to harmonize. Okay, she won't know. You will stay in my heart like 3 golden hair. So when I will be dancing, you are with me. And Radharani may not allow you because you are not surrendering to Radharani. You have got man, you are proud. Who is Radharani? I am chief queen. Something like that. Among ladies, there is always, these things are there. Men also. When the gopis in the Ras Leela, Krishna disappeared. Seeing Radharani is very proud. All right, I disappeared. Feeling separation. Then Krishna is watching how they are feeling separation from me. He is hiding. Krishna is playing hide and seek with the gopis for fun. Gopis are crying, where is Krishna gone? Where is Krishna? But we are crying for something else. Where is gulab jam? Where is ice cream? Where is pizza? Where is pasta? Where is vodka? So when you are feeling separation from all these, where is jalmuri? Where is puchka? Where is rabdi? How can he feel separation from Krishna? No, you can. You can. That is the problem. Where is money? Where is money? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Taka, 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 taka. Yes?
Yes. 100%.
Yes or no? Yes. Where is taka? Where is taka? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Inside, taka, 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 taka. Dollar, dollar. Krishna is recording, rascal, you are chanting Hare Krishna. And saying taka, taka. All right, I give you taka. Be happy. Don't go to Krishna then. Krishna took the form of Narayan, 4-handed, and standing. Gopis passing through. Who's that? Krishna? 4-handed? No. Narayan, he won't joke with us, play with us. He's great. So Dandavat, Narayan, Dandavat. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Where is his flute? What to speak of Vaikuntha? When with the gopis, Radharani is also going. The Radha is very strong. Moment Radharani is passing, Krishna cannot keep his forehand firm. Yes, Krishna is called Madan Mohan. Krishna can attract anybody. The Cupid, who can cause attraction, in the material world, highest attraction between male female, and the demigod is called Cupid. Eros, in the West, no? Eros? Eros. And India is called Madan, Kandarpa, Kamdev.